AP Chemistry, Unit 8.11, pH and solubility. The solubility of many substances can depend on pH. And if you were to decrease the pH of a base by adding an acid, it would react, the acid, that is, with the hydroxide and remove it from the solution, and therefore would increase the solubility of the initial solid. If you decrease the pH of a solution containing magnesium hydroxide by adding hydrochloric acid, what will happen to the solubility of the magnesium hydroxide is the question. So this is the solubility equation here. So we have magnesium hydroxide dissociating into magnesium and two hydroxides. If I add hydrochloric acid, I am adding hydrogen ions. Those hydrogen ions will capture the hydroxide ions and turn into liquid water. And so the equilibrium will shift toward products to replace the hydroxide ions that were removed. And so the solubility of the magnesium hydroxide overall will increase because we will want to push toward products to replace the hydroxides that were captured by the added hydrogens. If I increase the pH of a base by adding another base, they're going to have a common ion, and so we're going to experience the common ion effect. The common ion being hydroxide for bases, and therefore it will decrease the solubility of the solid. So if I increase the pH of a solution of magnesium hydroxide by adding sodium hydroxide, then I have the dissociation equation here for magnesium hydroxide, going from the magnesium hydroxide solid to the magnesium and two hydroxides. Then I'm adding additional hydroxides. I am putting weight on this product side, and so the equilibrium will shift toward the reactants to decrease the stress of the additional hydroxide. And so the solubility of the magnesium hydroxide overall is going to decrease for that particular solution. The opposite is also true. So if you decrease the pH of an acid, you will decrease the solubility since they share the common ion of the hydrogen ion. And if you were to increase the pH of an acidic solution, then the solubility will increase to replace the captured hydrogen ions. So we're going to look at an equilibrium equation, and we're going to see kind of which way it will shift based off of if I increase or decrease the pH of the solution. So the equilibrium includes two colored species. We have chromate, CrO4 -2, and chromate is yellow, whereas dichromate, Cr2O7 -2, is going to be orange. We have, this is our equilibrium equation here. So we have chromate going back and forth to dichromate here. On the left-hand side, we can see that we have the hydrogen ions, and on the right-hand side, we have water. So if I were to go ahead and mess with it, I want to predict which color will appear in the reaction vessel after adding additional sodium hydroxide. So if I add additional sodium hydroxide, I am overall increasing the pH of the solution. And so I will be shifting left, and I will have more chromates present because the hydrogen ion that was captured from the sodium hydroxide will force us to shift left to reproduce the hydrogen that was captured. If I added additional hydrochloric acid to this situation here, I am going to shift right, and I will be orange overall because my addition of hydrogen is going to cause stress to the system, and so I will shift away from the stress to go ahead and balance back out. So I would be orange and have more dichromates present after an addition of hydrochloric acid.